So I wanted to do a quick demo to unlock the capabilities and possibilities using the Vision Instruct model on DigitalOcean. What's really cool about this particular model is that it's multimodal. You can not only provide text as input, but you can provide images as well. And that unlocks a whole host of capabilities that we can use in our toolkit. So what I'm going to demo here today is I'm going to take a slide deck that I've used at a previous presentation at NVIDIA GTC that happened last week. I'm going to take that PDF file which contains the slides for my presentation, and then I'm going to use an open source library called automagically, which is going to take the PDF and extract an image for every slide contained within the PDF. So let's run that command right now. Once you have all your images generated, you're going to take this slides images folder and upload it to a spaces bucket. Once you upload the folder to a spaces bucket, you're going to make sure that all your images are publicly accessible. Next, you're going to take the code contained within the tutorial and replace 4 key things within this code block: the IP address for your droplet, your bearer token, the fully qualified domain name for your spaces bucket, and also the session abstract, which contains what the slides are about. And then finally, you're going to run your application. And as you can see here, the Python application is going to walk every image, which represents one slide contained within the presentation, and generate notes based on the context of the session abstract and the information contained within the images. And this gives you a summary for every image contained within the slide deck, making automation to generate notes for your presentations so much easier. I hope you enjoyed the demo.